Okay, we are on lesson 7.9, last lesson of chapter 7. You have a test tomorrow. Page 411 in your book. I want to do a quick refresher. If I were to put 3 parentheses, 4 plus 7y, I would jump and I would turn that to 12, and I would jump and turn that into 21y. I review this because if you are multiplying, it doesn't have to be a like term. Do you see how this is a plain number and it's going to a plain number, but this is a plain number and it's going to a coefficient and a variable, coefficient and a variable. So it doesn't always have to match. The only time when you're going to combine like terms and they have to match is when you're adding or subtracting. When you're multiplying, it just happens naturally. Such as question number 2 in your book, 5 times h. You can look at it exactly like this, and you'd be like, oh yeah, I have to jump and multiply that without even questioning it. But when it looks like 5 times h, you're like, do I combine it? Do I not? And yes, you do. When you are multiplying, you do combine it, and it would turn into 35h, because you want to have that letter. So the overall question of this lesson is this equation or this expression equivalent to this other expression? So is 35h or 3 times 7, is it equal 5 times 7h, is it equal to 35h? Yes, it is. This is equal. Okay? Number 5. First, I'm going to work on this side of the expression, and I'm going to do my jumping, so that would turn into 11p. Keep my same symbol. Do my jumping over here, and this would turn into 11q. So this is what it looks like when it's all together. Okay. Now I'm comparing it to this side. I see that both of these are q's, and I see that there's an adding symbol in the middle. When you're adding or subtracting, you can combine the like terms. So those would turn into 11q. Then we can take this out, and it would be 11p. So I would say that these are equal expressions. Number 8. You're comparing, multiplying y times 1, and then you have plus 2. And you're comparing that to say, is it the same or is it equal to y plus 2? So I'm going to start in my parentheses, and I'm going to work at just this. Y times 1 would equal 1y. And remember, I've been telling you over and over and over again, if there's just a 1 in front, it doesn't have to be there. Okay? So then I just write the rest of my problem. Plus 2, is this equal to this? And yes, it is. It's the same. All right, number 11 in your book. We're comparing this expression to this expression. And these are like terms. This one has a C, this one has a C, and it's only subtraction. Remember, I can combine like terms when they are connected by adding or subtracting. So 12 minus 3 would be 9c. Okay, so does 9c equal this? Let's find out. If I jump here, I get 12c. If I jump here, I get 3, and I have to keep my symbol in the middle. When I am subtracting, I have to have like terms. these are not like terms. This one has a letter, this one does not. So, are they equal? Are they not equal? I would say they are not equivalent. Okay? You have to do, on 7.9, you have to do all of the front, and you have to do all of the back, and you have to do all of this practice. You have a lot of work to do. It will probably take you about an hour to get all of it done if you do it correctly. So you need to work hard today. Have an amazing day. See you later.